And with the latest on the $52 million lawsuit being waged against Korea's biggest tobacco companies, the trial began on this Friday, just a day after the Korean government announced plans to nearly double cigarette prices. Hyun-bin reports.
The trial of the National Health Insurance Service versus the nation's largest tobacco manufacturers opened on Friday, one day after the government announced plans to nearly double cigarette prices starting next year. The public organization is seeking compensation from KT&G Corporation, Philip Morris Korea, and British American Tobacco Korea to recover medical costs incurred due to what the agency claims are tobacco-related diseases, such as lung cancer. The organization pointed out the causal relationship between smoking and the illnesses, using 19 years of medical records in its database. It pointed to a much higher occurrence of cancer in smokers compared to non-smokers, and also aimed to show the tobacco companies violated laws and failing to fully explain the addictive and hazardous chemicals present in their products. In their defense, the tobacco companies argued that they cannot be held responsible for an individual's choice to smoke or not smoke, and that they have done what is legally required of them to warn the public about the dangers of smoking. It's a high-profile $52 million lawsuit that could open the floodgates for similar legal action if the National Health Insurance Service wins. It would also signify a rare loss for Big Tobacco, which successfully defended itself earlier this year against 7 individual plaintiffs who were seeking compensation over claims very similar to the ones in this trial. The state health agency, however, feels its case is much stronger. Hyun-bin, Arirang News.